Today I will talk about unemployment. Startup idea. He pointed out that the people who strong demands for goods and service are the same people participating in a labor market. Unemployment means less income. Problem. Unemployment is key measure of economic health. It is a major factor in determining how health and economy is. If the economy maximized efficiency, everyone would be employed at the same wage. Hypothesis. Unemployment is a powerful statistic that shape government policy and personal decisions. The government keep a close eye on the unemployment rate. The subset of the population excludes children and the infant people in the person system and people who choose for various reasons not to work choose to measure unemployment. This way assumes that a classical free market perspective work people in the person system and people who choose for various reasons not to work choose to measure unemployment. This way assumes that a classical free market perspective work. Class 1. It is a pointless to measure the people who are unable or unwilling to work. 2. John Maynard Keynes citizen his viewpoint of misleading. He point out that the people who demand for goods and service are the same people participate in the labor market. Unemployment means less income, which in turn means less demand. Less demand causes the demand crew in the labor market to change, creating a feedback cycle. 1. Employment determine how a society is like, how is going to develop. 2. True. This might sound like groundless fear. This country are suffering from the slower than projects economy recovery and the rise in unemployment. To prevent the groundless become the reality as delegates for global community, we must find the viable staging to strengthen the global economy and the alleviate the problem. The unemployment reform the period become job transition from the unemployment while they are attempting find the new job. When supply a labor greatest than the demand, unemployment result. Unemployment is a usual regulated as involuntary. It is a facility is another type of frictional unemployment. Structural unemployment occurs when skills, experience, and education and works. Unemployment, but it usually lasted longer. Unemployment explain how interfraction in the labor market can be create unemployment. Global unemployment level and rate are expanded the remain high in the short term. The increased unemployment level and the rate of 2017 driven by deteriorating labor market in Europe, neither northern, southern, western Europe unemployment level rates are both expected in continue to fall. The United States, European Union, and the Japan have a la- la- largely channeled investment into the asset markets, the stocks and real estates. Business model canvas. Startup the developed nation have cut back on government expenditure in order to reduce their budget defined under the pressure. The government spent on the social service such as education. Have a high growth potential. Many economically in the development world are inhabited by poor infrastructure, lack of the investment in education, and the excessive. Thank you.